Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Tesla price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at the bullish and bearish scenario where we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finished impulse towards the upside, finishing with it a wave 1 or a wave A. After both case scenario, you are looking for 3 wave corrective for a wave B or a wave 2. Following this correction, you see of course a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 impulse toward the upside. In this possibility, you have finished a wave C in the blue scenario or a wave 3, of course, in as an impulse 1, 2, 3, and you're looking for a wave 4 and a wave 5 towards the upside as an impulse. Your wave 4 in this case scenario is an expanding flat for the wave A. You're looking for another zigzag for the wave B, and you're looking as well for a possible wave C as an impulse towards the downside, hitting the 1.618, 1.38 fib level. In a bearish scenario, you're looking, of course, to a finished zigzag towards the upside with an A, B, and a C finishing wave A here in the magenta. You're looking, of course, at a 3-wave corrective at the same time, which is in confluence as well with the bullish scenario. The same target is, of course, as well the 1.38 and 1.618. In this case scenario, the possibility, of course, increase for Tesla to move towards, of course, this blue box to hit the 1.38, 1.618. Let's move inside this area on the 1-hour chart, 2-hour charts to see what do we have as a potential next move. So basically, inside this move toward the downside, we see clearly a very clear impulse, of course, with a major wave 3, which is not finished yet, because this wave 3 here that you are looking at, it has started already with double 1, 2. You're looking at a wave 3, and then you finish a wave 4. Your wave 5 is a zigzag here, meaning the wave 5 is unfolding potentially and ending diagonal. Zigzag for the wave 1, correction for wave 2, zigzag for the wave 3, correction for the 4, final zigzag, of course, for the wave 5, to finish a wave 5 only in the white scenario, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And this, of course, can unfold a further impulse toward the downside after having a correction for the yellow scenario, wave 5 again, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5 to finish finally a wave 1, which it might be the major impulse wave 1 toward the downside, and this will lead us again in the daily to, of course, this area that we were talking about, where you would like to see a finished wave B or a wave 4 in both case scenario, bullish and bearish, right? So basically, this is my aim right now, is this area to see, of course, the further potential of this impulse. Now, of course, back to the 1-hour chart to see some invalidation. What are the potential invalidations for this big impulse towards the downside? Meaning, what is the potential for the buyers? Basically, we are currently looking for a wave 5, right, in the white scenario after a wave 4. And to invalidate a wave 5, the only possible scenario, of course, here is that you are in an ending diagonal because of the zigzag. The indication of the invalidation of this impulse is simply taking this high. By taking this high, invalidation of bearish. Okay, but how much invalidation, or I would say potential invalidation? Yeah, not 100%. I'm gonna explain why. Because if we are in a wave 5 right now toward the downside, we're looking at a wave 2, right? The wave 2 in a diagonal can hit the 886. Yeah, can hit the 886. It's a common target for a wave 2 in diagonal. However, if you take this high, it means that, of course, you invalidated this diagonal. And that means two possibilities. Whether your wave 4 has shifted to this area as an A, B, and a C, right, or WX and a Y corrective, then moving impulsively for a wave 5, or you totally invalidated the whole impulse, but to confirm the whole impulse has been invalidated, you would like to reach the invalidation at 374, meaning you would like to see the price action interfering with the zone 1. Yeah, preferably to see the price interfering with the zone 1, invalidation of this impulse. Therefore, we can call a bullish scenario is unfolding toward the upside with much higher confirmation, I would say. Yeah, so here is only potential of bullish scenario, right? So basically, this is what we are looking at. Now, what are the possibilities that we can invalidate this? I would say there are high possibilities. Why? Because we are looking at a wave 2 here. Look at your wave 4. Your wave 4, now it is fine. Yeah, it is fine as a time. But if it takes more time here, meaning, okay, higher potential, we invalidated this impulse based on the timing. This is a huge, okay, for a wave 4. Yeah, look at the wave 2, wave 4, in case we get this potential. Therefore, we can, of course, have something else unfolding rather than this big impulse toward the downside. This was it for Tesla, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.